Starting around 02 November 2023, Theta organization explicitly is exchanging at 75 cents in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.55% in most recent 1 hour in an exceptionally significant manner. Theta, in every practical sense, has a genuinely all-out market cap of $754,232,743, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $43,278,627 in a huge manner. This, in every practical sense, makes Theta organization, Theta, truly positioning at 57 in the digital currency market, which generally is very critical. In the event that you basically are a crypto financial backer, and considering what truly is the Theta organization cost forecast finish of 2023, what will Theta organization basically be somewhat worth in 2023, which basically is genuinely critical. Is Theta organization a sort of wise venture or kind of worth purchasing in 2023, for the most part in opposition to mainstream thinking? Will Theta cost really outperform its record-breaking high? These, in every practical sense, are our Theta organization cost expectations for Theta's future, or so they, all things considered, thought. Theta organization, Theta, value expectation 2023, as per the Theta organization figure cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Theta cost in a real sense is supposed to sort of cross an extremely normal value level of 91 cents, the normal pretty least value worth of Theta organization, toward the finish of the for the most part current year, ought to be 87 cents. Certainly as opposed to mainstream thinking. Besides, Theta can arrive at a genuinely most extreme value level of 99 cents in an unobtrusive manner. Theta value estimate August 2023. In August 2023, the cost of Theta organization truly is determined to essentially be at around a fundamentally least worth of 73 cents in an unpretentious manner. The Theta organization value worth can basically arrive at an in every way that really matters limit of 82 cents, with the truly normal exchanging worth of 80 cents in United States dollars. Theta organization value expectation September 2023. Theta organization cost basically is supposed to by and large reach between 79 cents to 86 cents in September 2023. While the in every practical sense, normal cost of Theta for the September generally remains around 82 cents. Theta organization, Theta, value estimate October 2023. The Theta organization, Theta, cost for October 2023 may explicitly arrive at a really least worth of 81 cents, while the truly most extreme gauge cost explicitly is around 90 cents in a kind of significant manner. The essentially normal cost for Theta generally is truly anticipated to especially reach 84 cents in October 2023, truly further appearance how this truly makes Theta organization, Theta, truly positioning at 57 in the digital money market, extremely in opposition to prevalent thinking. Theta value gauge November 2023. In November 2023, the cost of Theta organization really is gauged to for the most part be at around an especially least worth of 84 cents, showing that Theta by and large has an exceptionally complete market cap of $754,232,743, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $43,278,627. The Theta organization value worth can for the most part arrive at a genuinely limit of 95 cents, with the in every practical sense, normal exchanging worth of 87 cents in United States dollars, truly as opposed to mainstream thinking. Theta organization, Theta, value gauge December 2023. The Theta organization, Theta, cost for December 2023 may sort of arrive at an especially least worth of 87 cents, while the greatest gauge cost essentially is around 99 cents, which in every way that really matters is genuinely critical. The especially normal cost for Theta basically is anticipated to especially reach 91 cents in December 2023, which by and large is genuinely critical. Theta organization most certainly passed value examination in the very beyond 24 hours, the crypto by and large has been for the most part diminished by 0.44% in its genuinely current worth, or so they explicitly thought. Assuming that we truly look at the in every practical sense current market cap of the Theta with yesterday's, you can in a real sense see that the market cap generally is likewise down in an in every way that really matters significant way. From kind of most recent 7 days the Theta generally was in sort of good vertical pattern and expanded by 12.79%, which really is genuinely huge. Theta organization in every way that really matters has shown areas of strength for truly potential of late, and this could be somewhat great chance to dive right in and truly put resources into an especially significant way basically. Inside the by and large most recent 1 month, the cost of Theta in a real sense diminished by 34.868%, disposing of an astounding certainly normal amount of 40 cents from its especially current worth, which really is very critical. This unexpected down in every practical sense implies that the coin for the most part is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can commonly be a very decent certainly purchase a potential open door for sort of speedy interest in a kind of significant manner. The 90 days cost change in every practical sense is near 28.44%, and the cost fundamentally coursed from a by and large least truly normal cost of 97 cents to by and large greatest normal cost of $1.06 in the sort of beyond 90 days, showing that from for the most part most recent 7 days, the Theta essentially was in especially great vertical pattern and expanded by 12.79%. Or so they in a real sense thought. An absolute most recent 4 months Theta organization basically has shown a developing pattern in an unpretentious manner. In this way, we really imagine that comparable pieces of the market especially were very famous at that period, especially in opposition to mainstream thinking. As per the especially the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of Theta organization certainly is expanded from 4 months, showing how Theta organization sort of past value examination in every practical sense, recent hours, the crypto truly has been truly diminished by 0.44% in its fundamentally current worth, which explicitly is very huge. The exchanging volume is an imperative job in its cost, showing the way that Theta for the most part has a truly all-out market cap of $754,232,743, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $43,278,627, by and large in opposition to mainstream thinking. The coin explicitly is up by 0.03%, with the extremely greatest by and large normal cost of the coin generally was around 78 cents, and the especially least beautiful typical cost of certainly was around 76 cents in fundamentally beyond 4 months. Which truly shows that the coin certainly is up by 0.03%, with the truly greatest really normal cost of the coin, sort of was around 78 cents, and the especially least lovely typical cost of in every practical sense was around 76 cents in kind of beyond 4 months in a quite enormous manner. Theta Organization Value Gauge 2023 Facts. What will in a real sense be Theta Organization most certainly worth in 2023, which really is genuinely critical. The Theta cost truly is gauged to for the most part arrive at an especially greatest degree of 99 cents, with in every practical sense, least cost of 87 cents toward the finish of 2023, all things considered, in spite of prevalent thinking. Does Theta Organization in a real sense have a future in a sort of large manner? As far as value, Theta Organization especially has a remarkable